Well, I got myself a pretty tough turn here. Trying to figure out the best way to go about it. It is super soft. You can see it's got dug in pretty good there. I can't get a hold of the customer. If I can even make this turn. Boy, that whole road is just super soft. Problem is, I'm just not sure if I get down there, if I can get turned around. Well, I got some lumber with me if I get stuck. I want to get the best angle here. Got both my differentials locked. And I just want to keep moving here. Not slow down. That is super slow. So the key is just not to let up. Stay steady. You get these grooves in the road, they're going to want to push you around, so you got to do a little bit of steering, but it looks like I'm going to get a break here. Now we got onto the nice hard dirt. So I survived that turn. Now, if I was to take that turn too slow, I could have got stuck. And then also, if you take it too fast or you're trying to turn too sharp, your wheels will just keep pushing forward and won't turn. So what I did is I backed up to my left and got as wide of a turn. So I was almost 3-point turning into that turn as it was. And I am just out here in the middle of freaking nowhere. This is about as far out in 29 as you can get before it's just nothing. There's nothing, absolutely nothing to my left. These are probably the last few houses in 29. And then now I gotta figure out which freaking house it is. Let's see. It appears to be the one up to my right. There is a Jeep up here, so couldn't get a hold of the customer, but it's approved for an unintended drop. Trying to see if I can see any addresses. But as it's GPS pinned, this is the house, I guess. Now the only problem here is I don't see any signs. with the address on it. But when I satellite view it, it's this house here where there is nobody at. So I guess in this situation, I'm gonna have to call the store and see what they want me to do here. But yeah, this is the best I could do. But at least I made it through that turn, so I just gotta get myself back through it on the way back now.